Hiya people, thanks for clicking. This was a bargain price. It was a 3-hour round trip, but as you can see, it was a bargain price. So if we get it off the table and take it into the workshop, we can have a proper look around at it. And what do we discover? It is exceedingly pitted. Right then, we move on. It's all stripped down. Now there is a lot of rust. A lot of places I can't get to. So it's going to spend 24 hours in deoxy solution. So for this bit, to clean the majority of flat areas, I'm using a 5-inch cup wire wheel, but it is the knotted variety. Right, time to secure it in the vise, because now I'm swapping to the flat wire wheel. This has actually got knots in it. Vicious bugger. And if you have a look down the edge here, you can see the extent of the pitting. Now, another reason apart from the price that I was willing to travel for this is it just says the 40th. All I've ever seen before are number 10s and number 11s. I've never seen one this old with just the 40th on. So I'm thinking it is a very early one. The company was founded in 1900. So it had a good soak in deoxy to take away any rust that was underneath or inside. In all these pits that were under the paint, there could be more rust. So I'm going to give it a liberal coating of Cure Rust by Hammerite. This will go in all the pits and all the gaps. It should eliminate 99.9% of all rust on it. Because this is a keeper and I want to do it properly. So Cure Rust is phosphoric acid, and basically it reacts with the metal and the rust to produce iron phosphate, I believe. When it turns black, it's all done. It's that simple. You give it a little scratch, another little wire wheel, and then you can paint straight over it. Takes about 20 minutes in my experience to go from this looking wet, look, this is on fast forward, to black. Now I'm going to use a very fine brass wire wheel on my cordless drill just to polish up the bare metal bits. Right, so the best bit for most people, what it looked like before, and this is how I finished it. I have used Hammerite green with copper lettering, and I've left the ball and the bar at the end in Cure Rust and waxed over it.